Hello friends, my name is Sanket Marathi and today's date is 5th March 2024 and today's topic is The Greedy Dog. So, The Greedy Dog is a story of a dog. So, in a village nested between rolling hills and the meandering streams, there lived a scuffish dog named was Bruno, and his fur was matted, and his ribs showed through his thin coats. Uh, a, state, a statement to his constant struggles for survival. Bruno was notorious. The Bruno dog was notorious in the village for his uh, unstable appetite and relentless swearing for foods. Uh, one, one bright and sunny day, as Bruno roamed the narrow street in a search of his next meal, and he catch a whiff of some things at the vegetables, and the the tantlings aroma led him to a small butcher shop at the edge of the village. The butcher the butcher momentarily called away away. He left the door ajar, and the savory fragrance of the fresh meat wafted through the air. And driven by his per- perpetual hunger, could not resist the allure of the butcher shops. He slipped inside he slipped inside and found himself surrounded by the hanging cuts of meat. However, what the captures Bruno attention was the massive mouth-watering bone laying on the counter, and the butcher prices display. It was a kind of bone that could satisfy his craving for the day, and and the with a mixture of excitement and stealthy. Bruno seized the opportunity. He clamped his jaws around the succulent bone and made by a hasty exit from the shop. The stolen treasures felt heavy on his mouth, but the prospect of the feast uh, overshadowed any concern he might have had. Bruno trotted away from the scenes, and convinced that he had outmattered everyone, and eager to enjoy his ill-gotten gains in peace. Bruno sought refuge under the cool shade of an ancient oak tree near the outskirts of the village, and he stolen down the stolen bone between his paws, and began gambling on it with the sheer delights. The taste was diving, and Bruno related in his cleverness, and enforcing a banquet of the plenty plenty of himself plenty of him plenty of himself. Little did Bruno know that his action had not gone unnoticed. A group of saved dogs know for the keen observation, and Camaraderie had been silently trailing him. The savory smell of the stolen bone wrapped through the air, and reaching their sensitive nose. integrate integrate they follow the Bruno to his secluded spot under the oak tree, and the as a Bruno included on his feast. The other dog approach continuously, and they are ignoring their friendly gestures. Bruno, driven by greed, growth, and menacing, the street dogs under-treated circle around him, and with the share in the share corrosives about the prices bone, and it become clear that Bruno was unwilling to share his uh, ill-gotten treasures. They are feeling they are feeling they are feeling threatens. Bruno decide to flee, blinded by his desire to keep the stolen bone. He dashed away from the other dogs and determined to enjoy his feast alone. And the pursuit lead him through the winding, and they are parts of the village. His heart pounding with an mix of fear and excitement. So, in his face, Bruno failed to notice that the Ticenios train ahead. As he sprinted towards the outskirts of the village, he reached the blank of the deep narrow river. The current flowed swiftly by the Bruno, driven uh, solely by his desperate actions to escape. Did not recognize the danger that lay ahead. We, uh, with a misquoted leap, Bruno slipped on the muddy bank and then tumbled into the river. The heavy bone still cleans in the jaws. The other dogs now barking and howling from the river bank, tried to warm him to impeding peril. Uh, as a Bruno struggled to stay afloat as the weight of the water-load bone proved to the as his undoing. The the relentless current dragged him further downstream, and disputes his frantic attempts to swim against it. Bruno succumbed uh, to the force of rivers, and the once he greedy dog blinded by his desire for the stolen feeds, lost both the bone and his life in the unforgiving rivers. Uh, the other dogs now somber witness to the Bruno Tiger's tables learn a valuable lesson. They return to the village with newfound wisdom, and sharing the story of the greedy dog as a cautionary reminder that unchecked greedy could lead to a swift and unforgettable water downfall. Bruno tale uh, in-house through their village. So I hope this story are complete. So okay, thank you friends.